This is gonna blow your mind. Have you ever seen a parrot that acts like a detective? Meet the key parrot from New Zealand's snowy mountains. These fellas are not just curious for fun, it's a survival skill. In one of the harshest environments on Earth, keys have to be clever to find food. They'll inspect anything that might be a meal, from sheep carcasses to bugs hiding in the snow. Talk about persistence, right? So if you think you've got a curious mind, wait till you see a key in action. Want more cool bird facts? Like, subscribe and share this video to keep exploring with us. And don't forget, this is just part 5 in our amazing series.